Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. I am Marjorie Cabranella from Philippines. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. Her age is 19 and 17. My height is 5'2" and I am a high school graduate only. My work experience as domestic helper was in Qatar. I worked 7 years in one employer. I served 6 members of the family, the couple, and the 4 children. Her age is 7, 9, 11, and 13. I do all housework chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, dishwashing, tutoring the children, and bring the children and pick up the children in school. I can sing also the children, madam, like row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 life is but a dream. I can also read the storytelling like Cinderella and Snow White. I want to work with Hong Kong not because of big salary, madam. I want to work with Hong Kong for the future of the family. Madam, if you choose me as your domestic helper in Hong Kong, I promise I do all my best. I follow your rules and regulation. I obey your rules. And I promise I finish my 2 years contract. Enjoy, madam, and God bless you.